Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add double border to shape in Microsoft Publisher. So get started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add double border to shape. Now go into the insert one option, then click for shape option. Now choose from a shape. Now I choose from rectangle shape. Now draw a rectangle shape. Now go into the shape fill option. Now choose color and add double border. Now go into the shape outline option, then click for a widget option. Now click for more lines option. Now select from a compound type. Now for click, then click for a preview for double lines. Now widget option from 8. Now click for OK. That's it. Now you can see, then resize your shape. Then we can see add double border to shape in Publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.